Me, Chairman, and Mrs. When we were on the plane, we got on the secret on the option. We got 10 baboon blowing. I made it only like maybe I have 10 goals. And now 5 of them are thick. I'm waiting for another 5. So, this one going to Kenya and my family was one of my goals. So, we can go down to the airport. We can come. Same day, November, I'm coming out the last one. And this time, when people go, I'm coming out of Carabus station. And he didn't complete this grade level. And that fight, I'm going to Carabus, I'm come outside, and now I'm making grade level. So I'm coming out of Carabus and then to ministry go. And people go, and then come ministry in the town. Then I'm coming to 10 kilometers. And this amount of something. So if God changed this person, change your responsibility, then the whole family will change. So praise God, good document. You know that I'm going to bless. I'm going to see grow. And you back on the people of God. Number 9. God will give my family again to bless. Praise God. Number 9. Things are a bit rough, but God take us through. Through that, that's a night, one plan night way. You know, I don't want to force him. We don't like forcing him to see Jesus. I don't want to force myself talking about God to him. Be like me, believe and believe Lord. Like me to talk Roman, then Bobby to talk. Force him here, be less. We just let him know. I'm going to come up with a babysitter, because Elijah, around the Elijah. So, that night, Samuel was sharing. And Samuel was sharing about a new wine and an old wine. And that message and making him cry all night. Now, me not looking. And then Mrs. Stanley not looking. Hey, look at me, that woman. Me think myself to the Lord and said, me that now, no. Last one me. I'm telling you, looking at me. I'm just surrendering. I'm just crying. Inside of this nursery. And then we must have people last night, before Chairman and come back, Chairman only one plan. Prayer was the morning. And I believe that so time even, I want to say thank you to God, thank you to Chairman for the sacrifice. Yung kilusubok na yung gawin na